I was referred through Credit Line to a tax attorney who gave me information that no other tax advisor had given me to that point. And I had gone through 4 different tax advisors, a couple of enrolled agents, one attorney, and a couple of supposed services who do nothing but tax issues and problems. This attorney that Credit Line IQ referred me to gave me entirely different information, and I kind of walked out of his office on cloud 9, feeling very good about the entire thing.
When I was listening to me personally, I had to consider impacts of short sale. There were some tax ramifications, and I came to learn that the Credit Line IQ is not just people that work on credit, but they have experts, professionals that cover tax law, that cover bankruptcy, that cover any judicial things that might have to be addressed in regards to your financial situation. And I have had an ability to talk to some of their experts about various scenarios, and all of them are very compassionate. They listen, and they give excellent advice.
A lot of the things I had heard personally, although me not being an attorney or being, authorized to come up with those exact answers to those questions, he referred me to someone who was very knowledgeable, who was a specialist in their field, who was an attorney, and I was able to meet with that person. Matter of fact, he made it so convenient that he made a phone call, and this guy seems to be very busy, but he made it happen where he drove from San Jose to my city, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes away to meet with me personally. I was quite impressed actually with the way he handled things. I had talked with someone similarly in his field, and the differences were the average attorney schooled in their particular niche type field and doing a great job to someone who would do that, plus maybe think a little bit out of the box and be a little more concerned for the client and maybe be able to direct them in a little bit better direction. So I was very impressed and pleased with that.
I called Credit Line IQ and I said, do you happen to also within your referral network have an outstanding CPA so I can get my taxes done properly? Well, in fact, they did. They sent me to a CPA who's not only a CPA but an attorney also, who did an outstanding job on my last year's tax returns. And in fact, I have a past problem with some taxes and I've been given a letter of audit, and he is going to thankfully represent me on the audit, which makes me feel extremely comfortable. I'm just thrilled with so far with all of the things that have happened with Credit Line IQ. I think it's a wonderful company.